How to stage your home for a quick sale. Hello, homeowners. If you're looking to sell your home quickly and maximize its appeal to potential buyers, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top tips on how to stage your home for a quick sale. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, declutter and depersonalize. Start by decluttering your home. Remove any personal items, excess furniture, and knickknacks. Potential buyers want to envision themselves in the space, so keep it neutral and spacious. Organize your closets and storage areas as well. A clutter-free home allows buyers to focus on the features and the potential of the property. Tip number 2, enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. Boost your home's curb appeal by enhancing its exterior. Ensure the front yard is well maintained, trim the lawn, plant some colorful flowers, and freshen up your entryway with a new doormat or potted plants. A welcoming and inviting exterior will entice the buyers to step inside. Tip number 3, focus on the key rooms. When staging, prioritize key rooms that have the most impact on potential buyers: the living room, kitchen, and master bedroom. These spaces should be clean, well lit, and thoughtfully furnished. Arrange furniture to create a comfortable flow and showcase the room's functionality. Consider adding fresh flowers or a bowl of fruit for a touch of freshness. Tip 4, let there be lights. Natural light is the best friend when selling a home. Open curtains and blinds to let as much light in as possible. If necessary, add extra lighting to brighten darker areas. Well-lit rooms appear more spacious and inviting, making a positive impression on potential buyers. Tip 5, neutralize colors and styles. While you may love bold colors and unique decor, when staging your home, it's best to neutralize the color palette and style. This allows buyers to visualize their own belongings in the space. Opt for neutral tones for walls, furniture, and accessories. This creates a clean canvas that appeals to a wide range of tastes. Tip number 6, highlight unique features. Does your home have any standout features? Make sure to highlight them during the staging process. Whether it's a fireplace, exposed beams, or an expansive view, draw attention to these unique aspects. Arrange furniture and accessories to showcase these features and make them the focal points of the room. By following these staging tips, you are well on your way to selling your home quickly and for the best possible price. Remember, staging is all about creating an inviting and neutral space that appeals to potential buyers. If you happen to have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out. Best of luck on your home sale.